Welcome to the LS210 guide series. In this introductory video, we'll cover the bare basics of your instrument. We'll be discussing the cables and port connectors, how to turn the instrument on, what to expect on your indicator display, and lastly, how the keyboard and some shortcuts function. Starting from the left side, you'll find the printer and PC connector ports. Next to them will be the load cell connectors. And lastly, there are two different types of power connectors, a 12-volt DC port and a 220-volt AC connector. You can choose which one you want to use. When turning on your instrument, first ensure all cables are securely connected, then press the on key. The display will show the scale model, then it will recall the stored data. Starting up, recall data, checking load cells and ready. The software version number will also be displayed in the right bottom corner of the display. The scale will then automatically zero. After a minimum warm-up period of 10 minutes, the scale is ready to be used. Alright, moving on to the indicator display. There are 3 status indicators in the top left corner, and just keep in mind that not all of them will always be visible. Func indicates that the function key has been pressed. We'll talk more about this key later on. EQW means equilibrium was established, and it lets you know that functions like zeroing or taking a reading can be performed. Busy simply tells you the scale is busy with its internal functions. The weight that's shown is the current weight on the scale. If you put more than the scale's maximum weight capacity on the platform, you'll see an indication of several lines. The scale can also show negative weight. For example, if something, like a light vehicle or a group of people, is on the scale, say weighing 500 kilograms, and you zero the instrument with that load on the platform, when you remove the load, the scale will display negative 500 kilograms. But if the load is more than 2000 kilograms, you'll see those several lines again. The unit indication shows you the weight unit, like kilograms or tons. And finally, the 4-line text window is used to display information to the user. Now, there are 3 main uses of the keypad. First, you have the alphanumeric keys, which are for typing in information that the indicator unit asks for. Next, there are the arrow keys, and these are for selecting options and moving the cursor around. Then, there are the function keys, which let you select menus and handle data manipulation. The dot key is used as a separator, or just to skip a field in the user fields menu. You can select 0 to 0 out the current weight on the scale. The function key acts a bit like the shift key on a computer keyboard. The ID key is used to enter registration information for weighing. The left arrow key moves left, or if you use it with function, it will delete text. The up and down arrows help you scroll through data in different menus. The right arrow will insert a space while you're typing. And finally, the enter button is used to enter the data you've typed in. Selecting function in combination with any of the letters in the top row will let you select special characters. If you use function and 1, you'll return to the default weighing screen. Function and 2 will transfer data to or from the PC. Function and 3 will print a waybill, but you do need to be in the recall menu for that. Function and 4 will display the data from the connected load cells, and function and 5 let you edit the waybill header. Use function and 6 to view stored data on the scale. And function and 7 allows you to edit the user fields. Function and 8 lets you delete all full records and also deletes all data under user header. And lastly, using function and 9 will take you into the settings. Thank you for watching, and for more guides, be sure to visit our website.